Tuesday morning, and we are in Bend, Oregon. We're at the airport. We're going to go upstairs and have some breakfast. It's about 7:30. They're not quite open yet. Ran into Brett Frazier last night, and he was nice enough to offer some place to stay, which was great. Got to meet him and his wife. He's a customer of mine. Put Behringer brakes on his Carbon Cub. Show a picture of that. It's a beautiful looking airplane. They got a hangar full of just fantastic airplanes. So it's really nice to meet them. They're going to come out and have breakfast with us, and then we'll hit the road. Looks like we're going to run into some diversion today along the route because of fires again. So we'll see how that goes. First stop will be La Pine, and then over to Diamond Lake.
Good morning, Vivo.
How's the ride so far?
Amazing. I don't think I could have made it without our tires. No, it's awesome. It is one of the probably most challenging rides I've had, but it just because it goes from like asphalt to gravel to just pure rock to where you're down to like first gear, 10 miles an hour, trying to make it through, and then back up on the gravel or a dirt, and then I don't know, it's just this constant changing route, and super awesome.
What are we doing today, you think?
I know the first part is asphalt. But then I drove it in the van a few weeks ago down to Lina Lake, and it's just a wide gravel road. And I'm really looking forward to that one, getting over to cutting around the lake, Paulina Lake, and then over to La Pine. And I'm really looking forward to that ride. I think it'll be a blast.
All right, we're hitting the road, leaving the Bend Airport, Highway 20, to go pick up the trail. Lee's going the wrong way. Oh, shit. Oh, I have one glove on. Right.
You know what I'm
going Michael Jackson today. Tell you what, I'm loving that tire.
I'm just gonna say, the tire's the best.
We've had more conversation with people about these tires. I mean, if you ever need to start a conversation with someone that likes motorcycles, just start talking about the K60 tires. I think that's what they're. We are now on the dirt again, where we picked up. There's a little tiny section we skipped yesterday, or that we're skipping because of going to Bend yesterday. So we went to Bend, came back. We're picking up the trail here, and then next stop's Paulina Lake, I guess, and then La Pine, and then we're gonna need to get on the phone or contact a ranger station and see how to get out of La Pine through these fires. But right now the goal's La Pine for lunch.
Yeah, I can't wait. Other than we just had like a huge breakfast, and I had an amazing breakfast. It's like this omelet.
I had like this little French toast, and they forgot my potatoes, but I was cool with that because I wasn't that hungry. He had like a plate-sized omelet that was, it's that again, tall, full of stuff. And I looked over, he was gone, and he was like, "Oh no, that tire's gonna take a load today."
Yeah, but the tire will keep up with it. It totally, we leave the FBO and some guy comes out and goes, "Man, you got a nice tire." And, well, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
He just got Yamaha. Someone came out and said, "Man, I've only seen 2 of these, and this is the second one."
Yamaha.
I got Yamaha. Got one in my airplane. All right, right back to the gravel. So last night we stayed at a friend's house,
and he had a 1200 GS, and we were riding around on it, and I'll tell you what, it did not feel any bigger than this 800, and it was more comfortable to stand up on. It's got both of us thinking, I don't know, they're pretty nice. Pretty expensive. Alright, we have found yet another colored road. This is red, and it has the same type of lava rock that was on the road that I was on. Not quite the same, when I got all wobbly. And then you come into these deep patches of gravel. There's been some sand. This ride has got so much variety. And good thing I got this new back tire on, because it's handling all of it. I know, these pine trees are awesome. I love the color of their trunks. It's like an orange. Well, I got my glasses on, but that's what they look like to me. It's almost a little smoky down here, isn't it? Don't smell it yet. The sky's getting a little smoky. Oh, washboard. Dude, it just feels like I'm riding in a hole. We saw a coyote, and he disappeared. So now we're on this bigger red road, and it is so soft. Like, you turn the front wheel at all, and it digs in. I don't like it, so we're going slow. Boy, I hope this is better. It doesn't look any better. Alright, so now we're off the red soft and onto white soft. The feel is bad, but you can definitely see this is deeper stuff. It's kind of like a crushed granite through here. Wandering a little bit, but it's not like that red stuff. That stuff was like red through soup. We said lasagna soup. Very slow going. We're doing about 10 to 12 miles an hour, first gear. This is really soft stuff. We go on fine, then just deep like sand almost. At least we got some whoopties to go in there with it now. So Saturday 1, Sunday 2, Wednesday 3, Tuesday 4. Did I say Wednesday? Oh. Sunday 2, Monday 3. Dude, that's how much I'm totally concentrating on the ride right now. I can't even say my days of the week. That's all on camera. Just getting softer. Holy shit. That was sketch. Oh good, it's getting way better. I was literally 4 feet behind your tire when you put your foot down. I couldn't go any slower, so I'm gonna give you a little room. We're at like 6,700 feet and climbing still. We are beat. This section is kicking our ass. The washboard, the rock mines, the soft gravel, it's like everything. This section's got all of it. The lava rock mines. Look at that washboard. Gets so bad you can't even see. Oh, like that. Oh, man. Well, if we're gonna get a flat tire, it's gonna be on this section. Alright, so now we got some ruts to mix into it. We saw a Prius at the top of this hill, which was a little hard to believe. But there was a Prius that came up this. Kind of makes me feel like a wuss now. It was so hard. Wasn't there a Prius up there? Yep. That road was rough. I didn't look at what the highest altitude was, but we were about 7,000 when we crossed that ridge. We are so ready for this asphalt right here. Holy cow. My neck hurts. My dick is tingly. I just said that on the GoPro. You can't come this close to a peak vista without going up and checking it out. Be doing ourselves a disservice. Yeah, let's get stay. Oh, just 16 feet shy of hitting 8,000 here. Paulina Lake. We're up on Paulina Ridge here, or peak, or whatever it is. It's got kind of smoky today. About 45 minutes ago, we started to smell it. You see the lake here, and then there's another one over there. Been up here in the winter before. We snowmobiled all the way around the perimeter of the lake and back. Looks totally different. It's very pretty. It's too bad there's smoke though. On the way up, we came up from this direction. There was a fire you could see around the other side of this hill, small one going, but it's not what's putting up this much smoke. So. I'm taking a picture of Lee taking a picture of me.
Oh, peace, love, and make sure that you take every curve perfectly from here on down the hill, because it's a nice drive.
Absolutely.
May there be no idiots slowing you down.
Safe travels back to your house.
I like your fucking chin guard there.
You like that?
You have reverse?
Nope.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna click it in and go.
I'm stuck in a hole. There it is. Right off, man.
Remember, be good. Be good.
Oh, you didn't want anything to do with that guy the whole time. You were just like, turn your back to him, left me alone, you bastard. Oh my God. Lee will help me with this guy. Cuckoo. That old Howard Hughes Sikorsky. Oh my gosh, that was almost worth not having any food there. Oh, that guy, he would have never left. Did you hear when he said he was sponsored by Yamaha? Oh my goodness. He goes, I like that BMW, but I'm a Yamaha guy. They sponsor me. I've been sponsored by Yamaha. Whoa. So we're just out of La Pine, about 20 minutes, heading for Diamond Lake. We were able to get a hotel room in Diamond Lake tonight. It's about 60 miles. Big wide open road here, but as we got going, it's sand. It's super just like floaty sand. And so it's kind of slow going. We're doing like 20. We're hoping to be in there by about 5. It's been a long ride today with the difficult terrain. The terrain, it's just the road conditions are, you know, we've seen just about everything today. So we're coming up right now behind the town of Crescent. We're hoping that once we get past that, we'll get into the Cascades and the type of dirt will change to more of the mountain dirt and get away from this lava rock and sand. So I will turn it back on when things change, because right now I need to concentrate. You'd have to go back. Yeah, you'd have to go back to 97 and then cut down 138 and come in from the other side of Diamond Lake. It can't be like this all the way there, wouldn't you think? So there's a short section between here and 58. If it doesn't get better by 58, let's revisit it. So this stretch is... So we can go up, cross over to 58 and come down just to miss this section, or we can ride it. Just turn around. Got it. Got it, get it, gotta go. Alright, so I don't remember last time I shot. This clip was, I think, going by Crescent. I think we've gone up over the mountain and heading down towards Diamond Lake. Road conditions have improved. Smoke has not. It is quite smoky in here as we head for those fires. We're about 12-13 miles out of Diamond Lake, and we're both nice and tired. It's about 5 o'clock and there are beers calling our names. Yeah, we got on the road about 10 this morning and we haven't stopped much because we couldn't find anywhere to have lunch, so we had a cookie and some potato chips for lunch, and that's it. So, hungry and thirsty for the IPA. It's been a challenging day. I don't know how we would have got through it without these new tires. Alright, so we just hit Highway 138. We're supposed to go right to stay on the route. We went left. We're going to cruise up to Diamond Lake, to the Diamond Lake Resort, where we got a room for the night and rest. There's Diamond Lake. Sweet. Where do you check in?
You can't just grab some dude off the street and say, "Hey, let's go hit the tap." You know?
You know what I was thinking, Brian? I'd like to eat some spaghetti.
So I'm talking about, you gotta pick the right guy to go on this trip with, because if you can't laugh and have a good time, if you're constantly worried about how the conditions are, and you're not having fun, don't do this. All right, we had a pretty good time there hanging out at the Diamond Lake Lodge. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. I'm also editing up the part 4, the final section of this, so I'll just upload these together. I know you guys have been patient and waiting for all these videos to come out. So go ahead and end this one, and I'll get the next one up, so stay tuned for that.